What's up, my OKC gang? It's Friday. We got a Nissan Maxima 2011. We're gonna be doing the radio. We're gonna be doing the Pioneer. Double din is the AVH 220X Bluetooth DVD. And we're gonna be wiring up for the Beats. This is a Stinger, true spec. This is 100% copper. So yeah. Now I gotta hit it myself. On this one, you got this panel. You know, you get your pry tool, and you slowly start prying your way around it till it comes off. And once that comes off, you got two screws here, one here, one here, one back here, one back here. And then you have one there and one there, and that should let the whole radio come out. So let me pull it out and we'll show you. All right, we got all the screws out, so you should be able to just yank on this out like this. That'll give you all the access to the plugs. So we just slowly unplug them all. They want to come out. Sometimes they want to be a headache. That's actually the AC control. This is a box you have to. Holy cow! Oh, dropped it. Shit! This is the brain for AC control, so you have to remove this from this one and put in the new one and plug it back up, because then your ACs won't work. So let me get this on the bench and we'll see the dash kit. Take a closer look at it. So the dash kit should come with the new brackets where you mount this, then you just mount the radio. So let me get that put together and I'll show you. The dash kit we are using is the NN1664B. That's for 2009, 2013 Nissan Maxima. Double din with pocket. So if you want to do a regular radio, it comes with the pocket, which is this right here. But we're doing a double din, so peace out to that. All right, let me get it put together and I'll show you. Hello? What's up, man? We did it! We got it? All right. Woo, shit. Yeah. Yep. Oh, shit. We sure did hit it. All right, guys. This is where you put the AC control. It actually has the indentions, so you can line it up right. But that's how that's gonna look. And then let me wire up the radio. Now for this one, we're gonna be using the NN04B. There's a harness. Come with the ground so you can ground it, because you usually don't have ground. And the TR1, which is the bypass, so you can watch the videos. Let me get all that wired up. Alright guys, look at this. Now since we are doing the system, oh, before I do that, this antenna adapter, you have to hook up this blue wire to your remote turn on your radio. If not, you will not get your stations. Your radio station, you need those. But like I said, since we're doing a system, we are gonna go ahead and put our remote wire it in. Like that. We have our remote wire ready to go. So let me get it to the car and we can hook it up. All right, now he said he's gonna be putting a 4-channel amp as well. So we gotta run the one the amp can't wait, and then we gotta run 2 additional more for his 4-channel so he can run his highs. So that's total of 3 pairs of RCAs. So let's get this going. Plug this. Plugs. If y'all wondering, this ground loop, if you look at it, this black wire doesn't have a wire on the other side. So that's what this is for. You have to ground it out to the body. Somewhere a piece of metal back here or something. There's a good piece of metal back here. You just put a self-tapper and it'll ground out. So, but let me get all this connected. This wire. if you have to run. I usually put it up here in this corner and run it down over, make it come out. I'm gonna run that.
I'm fixing it and get back. Alright guys, I got it's kind of hit and miss. You gotta adjust the brackets as you go. But now we can put our screws in. The silver ones go on top and bottom, and the black ones go on the trim piece. So we get those put in. Tricky. You can get your trim piece, line that up. Black screws go there. you get your trim piece from here. Now, you guys got to be really careful when you pry this out, because this right here, man, these, if you do it with any kind of pry tool, you leave marks in it. So you got to be really careful when you're prying that out. Hook up the rest of our stuff over here. And your hazard switch. And then line it up. Might take a little bit of pressure, but not much. Let's see. It's not lining up. Should go in. I just need a little. There it goes. That's it.
So I saw the trailer and I was like, oh, I'm watching this tonight. And then it said, coming to Hulu April 2nd.
Oh,
It's the same thing Stanley Tucci did to me for that CNN Italian show.
And done. Now here, you gotta find a way to get this wire somewhere. I don't know, I gotta look. Once I get it ran and everything, we'll show you. Then we gotta get all of these wires, you know, right here. So we gotta take all these trims off. They should usually just a little bit of pressure on it, pop up like that, and then you can just even run it through here. So let me get that done and I'll show you. Y'all know what time it is. Gotta get Big Cocaine looking right. What's going on over here?
200 bucks.
What's up, man? What's up, my OKC gang? Remember that Camaro I was talking about? The gray one we were supposed to be doing the wheel lights, the kit lights. I started already. Let me show you. I got 3 of the wheel lights done already. Got the wiring. I still gotta clean all that up. There's another wheel light. I got that one's last, and this one on the side. That one's done too. On the front. So yeah, let me get back to it and I'll show you.